Hi, good afternoon. This is Seth Pickens with Live Oak Exteriors out here at the Aburto residence today. I appreciate the estimate from the insurance company. I've got the claim information up here. Today is March 20th. It is about 58 degrees outside here, so we're kind of in prime condition to perform a repair. The back slope was approved for full replacement, and then we had 16 damaged across the front left and right slopes that needed to be repaired. This is one of the documented damage shingles here. You can see the crease across here, and then it's obviously unsealed. But I'm going to be as careful as I can performing this repair. We're obviously going to have to remove this shingle and then the rest of the nails underneath it as well. And I have my work area documented here, so like I said, I'm going to be as careful as I can. Let's get started. Okay, so right off the rip here, if you want to show them this, I'm just removing the shingle that is damaged, and there's already a ton of mat transfer here. This is completely ripped into this shingle here on the bottom layer, and we're only trying to remove this and up here. I just want to have that documented moving forward. That's obviously going to damage the rest of the shingles here as well. More mat transfer along this side here as well. I'm going to start unsealing the rest of these. This is already undone here. This is less than ideal. Okay. This one's really sealed down over here. Okay, yeah, I just want to show this one as well. Just trying to get that one shingle off. It tore holes from mat transfer into this here. So I haven't even started removing the nails yet. So let's continue here. point out again here, all this mat transfer you can see across here, whether it's pulling chunks out, the sealant itself, whether I put a new shingle down or not, the bottom side of these shingles here that I put down, and even these here, are gonna never seal down properly again. I'm gonna get the rest of these nails out real quick. Cellophane wrap here ripped off. I'm just going to do a light swipe across these here. This one's starting to come away. This one's starting to break as well. We've got some damage to this shingle here that I can see, and a little bit to this one as well. Just given the situation with the mat transfer, the breaking of the shingles themselves, I don't really feel comfortable moving forward with the repair. There's rock granules all over the place here, so that's another indication that we're damaging the shingle further. So I'm gonna run down to the truck, get a tarp, tarp this area up real quick. We're gonna deem this repairability as a failed, as my expertise as a roofing contractor here. So I'll get you guys this video as soon as I can. Thanks.